Classic Pooh. Classic Pooh, P-O-O-H. I felt like I had to say that, right? Classic Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. With this, again, there's some pieces that they haven't done with this collection, like the washi. So no washi with Classic Pooh, but lots of fun things. So you are starting to see a number of different manufacturers do Winnie the Pooh collections. And the reason you're starting to see that happen all of a sudden is that in 2024, early 2024, there were two really big pieces of art, I guess, that went into the public domain. Steamboat Willie was Mickey Mouse, the original Mickey Mouse, and then also Winnie the Pooh. So they hit the 90 some odd years that they need to hit, and once something hits that, then it goes into the public domain. So Heather said my oldest baby child's nursery was all Classic Pooh. He's almost 27 now, Heather. Same. There were pieces that Jack had, our oldest son, who is 27, that he had in his nursery. Isn't that fun? Denise, yes, I have seen simple vintage meadow flowers. No, meadow flowers. I don't think it's called meadow flowers. I think meadow flowers was last year, isn't it? There's another one this year. I don't think it's called meadow flowers though. Yes, Simple Stories has some fun new collections coming. Not shipping yet. All right, so let's take a look at the 6x8 paper pad. Again, there are 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns, but everything is double-sided, so lots more. No matter the day, no matter the weather, life is just better when we are together. So what you'll find in this paper pad, there are definitely things that are Winnie the Pooh. So if you are not a Winnie the Pooh person, there's a lot of this collection that just isn't for you, because very clearly you have Eeyore and Piglet and Christopher Robin and so forth. Cute little scene down here on that piece. Then we get some pieces that are pretty neutral. Hang on, Denise. You just bought meadow flowers. If it's old, yeah, Denise, I want to say last spring, spring of 2024. But you know what? It doesn't matter when things come out. If it's something that that you see that you love, then it doesn't matter, right? Look at how cute he is. He's just sitting there in the little field of flowers. Neutral plaid, right? Neutral little yellow flowers there. It wasn't much good having anything exciting if you couldn't share it with somebody. Super cute. And that's like lots of beautiful art. Lots of Winnie the Pooh, definitely in the paper pad. We have a couple things that are pretty neutral. Both of those could be used for lots of different things. Little clouds with birds, tags. Look at, what about lunch? Winnie the Pooh quotes, just so cute. A nice little bumblebees, floral, a red gingham, the cut apart elements, little honeycomb, nice floral again, polka dots, and then you have 2 sheets each of, 2 sheets of the 3x4 cards, and then that repeats. Mary J said, ordered this big bundle too, no self-control, right? I know, and here's the thing. If you had kids that are older, right, like maybe in their mid to late 20s, where back in the day, then Winnie the Pooh was big in nurseries and you had lots of things that you could find. If you still have some of those photos that you wanted to scrapbook or do your memory keeping with, then pull them out and then this works again. The rub-ons, so 2 6x8 sheets. It's just, so I know because, well, I just know, the designer at Simple Stories that worked on this collection, the art didn't all look like this. I mean, she took it and then really made it beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I think that's why you see maybe the Simple Stories Winnie the Pooh collection. To me, just looks a lot different than the others that may come out on the market. TTFN, ta-ta for now. Tigger always used to say that. Little Eeyore, poor sad Eeyore. Oh gosh, what's that one? I can't remember that one's name. I don't remember that one's name. The kangaroo, don't remember. All right, so those were the rub-ons, 2 6x8 sheets. Then you have the 4x6 stamps. I don't often bring in the Simple Story stamps. but I have already reordered once on these because these are just, I mean, if you were a Winnie the Pooh fan, these are just a no-brainer. You don't spell it, you feel it. How do you spell love? You don't spell it, you feel it. Just super cute. Really fun. So 17 stamps on those. And those are photopolymer. Simple Story says they're stamps in the US. Alrighty. You have, oh, the big bits. I always have to be very careful when I pronounce that. Rue, baby Rue. Yes, Rue. Thank you, Jody. It's Rue. Kanga. Kanga was the mom and Rue was the baby. Oh, so sweet. The big bits. Again, got to enunciate that. These are larger die cuts. So these are working really well as, I mean, you could use these in a traveler's notebook, but they're pretty big. Definitely great in your 6x8 mini books, and smaller ones like that would work. That would be so cute at the bottom of a list, wouldn't it? Oh, but titles for your 12x12 scrapbook pages, right? You've got a couple little things there. He's just the cutest. I mean, he is just the cutest, right? You have a little crossword. Oh, sometimes you just have to trust where life is taking you. Laugh till your laugh till your oh my gosh, tummy hurts. Little tag. So lots of fun things in those big bits. There are 23 pieces. You have a couple of little smaller guys, but most of those are large and in charge. Let's see. Mary J, are you telling us what you purchased? Heartstrings, Pooh for the record bundles, and a few things from the new 49 and Market collection. You learn to read with Dick and Jane's. Oh gosh, right? I know. A lot of this is taking us back to our childhood, isn't it? Okay, let's take a look at the die cuts. There are 3 die cut packs. We have the bits and pieces, the floral bits, and the journal bits. Gosh, I need to get a couple more trays out here so we can keep those guys separated and you can see what's what. Alrighty, let's see, today's Wednesday. Lily and Denise have been working their little hands off. So they should be all caught up with orders on Friday. So Friday, January 24th, they're working through them very quickly, making sure that, you know, they're correct. That's what they like to do. Well, that's what they need to do, right? Want to make sure that everything's good, but they're going through them very quickly. So if you have not received your order yet, just know it's coming. It's a coming. Grand Adventure, Tigger, Florals. Just want to like cuddle him, don't you? I like want to take him to bed with me and just snuggle with him. The Wise Owl. There's, I don't know if that's Kanga or Roo. Together, look at, just so cute when he's eating his way through the honey pots. You're as sweet as honey. Cute little stamp. Winnie the Pooh, it's almost like those are like little balloons that are carrying him away. What I like doing best is nothing. That's a good one. Oh, bother, right? Oh, bother. Is he the one that would say that? Oh, bother. And his little voice, like in the cartoons, his little voice was just so sweet. It was a lovely day. Piglet, silly old bear, all is good in the woods. So I always was kind of partial to Eeyore though too, because Eeyore, okay, hold on, Eeyore. He is, oh, well, okay. His little head is down that way. That was a hard one for me to orient. Maybe he, oh, there he is. He's this way. I guess that's the ground, right? All right. You have cute little, the rabbit. Anyhow, lots of great pieces in this set. These are the regular bits and pieces. There are 55 pieces in there. Cute little banner. Of course, you've got Christopher Robin pulling Winnie the Pooh and the rabbits trying to pull him out of the, I can't remember if that was the tree trunk or if he fell in the hole, in a hole. All right, those are the bits, the regular bits. Then we move to the journal bits. The journal bits are always a little bit more writing heavy. Space for writing a title or maybe doing a little date or something like that, as opposed to the die cuts, the bits and pieces, which are pretty icon heavy. So in this pack, there are 41 pieces. but that's a good example of being more maybe journal heavy or writing heavy versus the the little icons. Pieces like that, some little cute little tags. Just so stinking cute. Like I can't even, it's just so cute. We'll remember one thing you should know, no matter where I go, we'll always be together. Piglet and Pooh, so cute. Anyhow, lots of great little pieces, tags, cards. You're starting to see some of the same theme. Well, not theme, but you know what I mean there. Like that with the little labels and the character at the end of the label. Nice ticket. A library card. Pooh's Balloon Company. All right, so that'll give you a good feel for those are the journal bits. There are 41 pieces in that sweet little pack. And then the last pack of die cuts, the floral bits. So floral bits are pretty consistent from line to line for simple stories. You're going to have lots of flowers, small flowers, large flowers, what was I just going to say? Hearts and things like that. But look at, he's just so cute laying on his back there. Nice little clip up at the top of that. We know how much we like our clips. Little heart. So there are a few icons in of Winnie the Pooh, but mostly you're finding just the different size flowers. And if you are one who's like, oh, I really love this. I really love this whole Classic Pooh collection. However, I really don't have much use for it, but you love the colors, you love the artwork. Well, this is a good pack to pick up because there are maybe 3 that we've seen so far. 3 little actual Winnie the Poohs. Okay, 4. But everything else is more so your florals. And then there's a cute ER. But more so your florals. So those are your floral bits. And there are 42 pieces in there. All right, so those are the a la carte pieces. Now let's talk about the big bundle. So the Classic Pooh Big Bundle will have all of the pieces that I already showed you with the exception, with the exception of the stamp set. I do not include the stamp set in the big bundle because not everybody likes to stamp. All right, so not everyone is a stamper. So it's everything that I showed you, a la carte, with the exception of the stamp. So that would be the sentiments bits. Oh, for some reason in my stack of my things, I didn't have sentiments bits. So let's just look at the back of that. There are sentiments bits that are also available a la carte. So 55 in there, but those are more kind of word heavy. So the bits and pieces, icon heavy. The journal elements are a little bit more writing heavy. And then the sentiments are maybe more titles or greetings for cards and things. But that really fun font that we see throughout, mixing in the words and phrases and things that are perfect for Winnie the Pooh. So that is also available a la carte, sentiments. So in the big bundle, the sentiments bits, the journal bits, the bits and pieces, the floral bits, the 6x8 paper pad, and the rub-on. So those are the a la carte things, but those are also included in the big bundle. Beyond that, in the big bundle, you have the glossy enamel dots. So 60 enamel dots in 5 colors, 3 different size circles. So lots of fun little ways to accent your projects with those enamel dots. You have the decorative brads. These are the prongless brads. So they're self-adhesive, nice metal, very nice quality. Strong adhesive on the back, so you just stick them on anything. Like I will even stick these on the tops of pocket pages and they just last wonderfully. So the top half, you have self-adhesive brads. There are 27 of those. And the bottom half, you have some chipboard pieces, self-adhesive chipboard. Moving on to the big bits. We did see the big bits. The big bits are available a la carte, but also part of the big bundle. The chipboard frames are always a favorite. So there are 6 chipboard frames, and you will see the different little designs there. So some are portrait, some are landscape, and those are fitting either your 3x4s or 4x6s, but those are always a really nice quality They are not self-adhesive, so you need to add, you know, whatever adhesive after you put your photo down. You'd put your, you know, put your frames on top of that. And of course, my favorite always, the foam stickers. So 2 6x12 sheets in the foam stickers. And with that, you have 34 stickers. Besties, laugh till your tummy hurts, little Pooh on a stool. That didn't sound right. Winnie the Pooh standing on a chair. Gosh, trying to get the honey out of the cupboard. Oh, I'm 12 years old. Don't mind me. Then we have the chipboard stickers, self-adhesive chipboard. I love that one with that giant balloon. That really makes an impact, that piece. And then you have the 12x12 collection kit. So with the 12x12 collection kit, you have 12 sheets, so 12 double-sided papers, along with the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we'll just take a quick look at that. And then we will say our little goodbyes. All right. So some of these patterns we have seen in the 6x8 paper pad. I love, love, love that Simple Stories started doing this last year. 2 different sheets of 12x12 paper, but you have, this could be used standalone. This one could be used standalone, meaning you could make a 12x12 layout with just that piece or just that piece, but look what happens when you put them together. You've got your 12x12 spread and most of the work done for you, right? Add your photos, maybe add a die cut or 2 and a title, and it's just done, right? Beautiful. Back sides of those, nice and neutral, the yellow flowers and beautiful mint sky. I love this kind of little, I don't know what you call that, not shadowscape, but you know what I mean. Plaid on the back side, that beautiful floral. That gives you a really good feel for the color palette. The pink and the mint and the blue, a little bit of green, the red, and then the mustard color, which matches Winnie. Matches Winnie. Some book pages. I think that's probably my favorite one. I just love how he's sitting there and he's like kicking back with his hands. Yeah, they have hands. His arms behind his head, I guess, right? Do bears have hands? Yes, bears have hands. He just doesn't really have hands. His arms just kind of end. Oh, goodness. I don't know. I've never noticed that really he does no fingers, no claw on the Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, you don't mind me. It's 5 hours dealing with computer issues today. Red gingham, really cute. That's a darling one too. I love that mint color. Floral. Nice for picnics. Sandy pit where Rue plays. Kanga's house. Really cute. And then we move into the cut aparts. So the tags, the elements, cut aparts with a, love that tone on the back. Beautiful artwork. The 3x4 cards with another plaid on the back side. The combination 4x4s and 2x2s. These are so cute, aren't they? The 4x6 cut aparts. I love that polka dot. I love that color combination. And last but not least, in that collection kit, you have the 12x12 sticker sheet, which look at that. Isn't that great down there at the bottom, that silhouette kind of. All right, so that was the 12x12 collection kit that I do as part of the big bundle. So with that big bundle, when you just click once and add to cart, it gives you, it's marked at 15% off because you are buying it all.